So the title, The Moment, for us means something very important for photography. In our case, in intensive photography, the moment is somehow stretched, and through that we get a completely new abstract dimension to photography, which is something we actually pursue.
Intensive photography is based on two parameters. The first one is a long obturation time, a long shutter opening. And the second one is that we print directly the negative. And these two parameters enables us to get closer to painting.
One of the important messages in this exhibition concerning sports is that the Olympic and the Paralympic disciplines come into just one entity.
So in these photographs, we do not recognize anymore genders, nationalities, sex, or sponsors, the name of the person. So it's a way to talk to everyone.
In the case of cities artworks or urban artworks, what happened is that we no longer grasp the volume, the shape, or something recognizable in a city or an architecture, but we concentrate on the intensive dynamics of the city.
I would like them to feel that photography is not only just a reproduction or a witness of reality, and it can be a creation, an act of creation.
It can really be a medium with which to create, and in that sense, photography as art is something you can really look forward to, as it opens new territories for people to express themselves.